Hey guys, running Kimono. I hope you're all having a great Tuesday. So we're going to talk about some more freebies and cheapies over at Walgreens. So if you have not head out to do the Eucerin deal, you might want to do that sooner than later. And then here's another one to throw on the list, especially if you need men's deodorant or body wash, because these are both great deals. Okay, so the Dove men's deodorant, it is on sale this month for $4.99. So that's the price. And if you look at the sticker a little more carefully, it'll say that that's valid until the 31st. I'll show you here in the next slide. Boom, there it is. So if you look at the bottom right-hand side, it says good through October the 31st. So the deodorant will ring up for $4.99. And then this morning, a very generous coupon showed up, which is this $3 coupon. So you're going to need to load that. And as you could see, qualifying products, look what's below it, $4.99 deodorant. So that's great. And plus we have a $2.50 rebate on IBOTTA. So hopefully you can follow what I'm saying. So grabbing one of these deodorants, that is $4.99, subtracting the $3 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $1.99 out of pocket, making that $2.50 submission to IBOTTA, making this free plus a 51-cent money maker. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. And that $3 coupon is a digital manufacturer. It's not an IVC. A lot of new shoppers are thinking that it's in the big book of savings, but no, it's found in your digital coupons folder, and it is of a one-time use, just to preface that. Now, the Dove men's body wash is $5.99. So this is like a little different deal. So, yeah, usually this stuff is closer to $7. It's really expensive. And then this wonderful $2 coupon showed up. And then if you look at the bottom, $5.99. Now, if you look at the coupon below it, it says manufacturer. So this is a manufacturer. Find it in the digital coupons folder. And then if you go to IBOTTA, we have a $2 rebate. Looking at this again, guys, buying one of the Dove men's body wash for $5.99, subtracting that $2 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $3.99 out of pocket. Make a $2 submission to IBOTTA. The final price point for this men's deodorant is $1.99. So if you were going to do the two together, you can get it as cheap because the other one's a 51-cent moneymaker. You know, it would reduce it down to $1.48 or 74 cents per the body wash and the deodorant. So, I mean, that's a really great deal any way you slice it or dice it. Let's not forget to get a quick photo of the receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You'll get more points because this is part of Unilever and is part of their catalog. So check your IBOTTA accounts if you might have these rebates and go and do it right away. Along with another IBOTTA deal is the Eucerin deal from yesterday. Now, looking at the app this morning, look how everything says 1 day left. So they're really putting a bit of a timeline on us. Now, what I would recommend to do is when you get to the parking lot of Walgreens, open up your IBOTTA app, type in Dove and Eucerin if you're going to do all three, and then see the rebates and what the timelines are, because the worst thing to do is to go and buy this stuff and the rebates have disappeared. So good luck with this, guys, especially that deodorant deal. Like, there's nothing greater than that. Okay, guys, and if you've never heard of the IBOTTA app, it's a really great savings app. You might want to sign up. I believe new signups will either get a $10 or $20 bonus when they submit their first qualifying receipt, like an item like Dove, Eucerin, or the Dove body wash. Check out the link in the notes if you wish, and you can join my team, and we can actually shop together to do some of these bigger bonuses. So again, if you're a new shopper and you're like, I really need to sign up, maybe today's the day that you sign up for this wonderful app. Okay, guys, so just to talk more about P&G coupons, apparently a lot of shoppers in different states, they're not scanning. If you have a good cashier or manager, what they can do is if you present one of each, yes, you can use both of these because they're two different items, two different coupons on two different products. It's not the same thing. So they can basically key it in for you. So you would get $4 off. And they've done that for me before in the past. How many times have you gone to Walgreens and coupons just don't scan, so they have to key it in, or reduce down the cost of your product at checkout, which they've done also, or do that modify thing. Either way, or sometimes what they'll do is they'll ask you to pay the full amount and then they'll credit you 4,000 points like on your, they'll just throw it on your card for the next time. So hopefully that makes sense. And if your store is like, they'll have to work with you either way because these coupons are still valid till the 24th. And if you wanted to get that $4 of savings on a Tide purchase, like, they'd have to work with you some way or another. Worst case scenario, you can always call customer service. And if you had digitals that vanished, or if these manufacturers are not scanning and your store will not help you, they will possibly like try and work with you that they will, toss some coupons or toss some points back on your store card, especially if you had the digitals and then the digitals vanished, which happened on my store card. They have a record of that and they will give you the credit of it if you call customer service. Do not take advantage of this either because they see the record on their end of what you've been loading and what you haven't been. So if you're just going to say, oh, I had like 5 coupons and la la la, they'll be like, oh, well, there was only 2 for that month and you didn't clip any of them. Busted. But yeah, just be respectful of them over at customer service. But they usually they move a mountain to make you guys happy. So that being said, good luck with this, guys. Hopefully they're doing a point of sale update. It will be done sooner than later. As you guys know, there's supposed to be a new reward system out there. They're getting rid of Beauty Club. So it makes sense that they're working on something mechanically, especially with these P&G coupons. Maybe they'll do Unilever next. We don't know. But there's definitely some sort of like coding thing that they're working on. So we'll just have to hang tight and just don't be shy to ask for a manager, cashier's help, or even call customer service. So good luck with that one, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.